Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be replacing the headlight bulb on a 2015 Chrysler 200. You can see on the screen there, it will come up and tell you when it's out. Although it's kind of hard to tell which side. That makes it look like it is the passenger or the driver's side that's out, but here outside the car you can see it's actually the passenger side that is out. You'll need a 10 millimeter wrench, and I know you probably lost all your 10 millimeter sockets. See the description. I've got a couple of funny gift ideas in there for anybody that's a mechanic. Will always need 10 millimeter sockets, so you can get a whole set of them for them. To access this panel, you're going to need to turn the wheel towards the car. If it's the passenger side, you're going to turn it to the left. If it's on the driver's side, you're going to turn as hard as you can to the right. You should probably take the tire off, but it's a lot easier without having to take it off. So I just went ahead and take those two out. Then you can rotate the little panel down. Once you get that panel down, you can see there's a little hatch cover in there. You just stick your hand in there. It's kind of hard to do this and film it, but you stick it in there, turn it counterclockwise, and that removes the little cover. And once the cover's off, same thing with the bulb. You're just going to make kind of a pop. You can it doesn't feel like it wants to go, and then all of a sudden it will go, and it will just release. And same thing, it kind of turns counterclockwise, and then you can pull the whole thing out of the housing there. Just be careful, the wires are still there. So once you get it out, it's kind of hard to see here with again, it was hard to film and do the work, but you can kind of release it. Just pull the little clip, and the bulb just pops right off of the harness there. And here's the bulb you'll need. I've got an Amazon associate link in the description if you need to order one. You can also get them probably at Walmart, AutoZone, just about anywhere it's going to carry them. May not be this exact brand, but they'll have a 9012. Once you get the new bulb, and again, try to wear gloves, especially handling the new one. You don't want to get anything on the new bulb itself. I'm trying to do this one-handed while I'm filming here. Not having a whole lot of luck. If I turn it around right, it might actually go on right. And once you get that clicked in, it's just pretty much a reverse of the couple of things we did earlier. Put the bulb in, and now you're turning it clockwise. And once you get the bulb put back in the holder, you're putting the cover on, and again turning it clockwise. And it takes a little bit for me to get each piece in there, and didn't realize the camera wasn't truly seeing what I was doing there, but you get the general idea anyway. Let's take just a minute to finish this up, and then we'll be good. And once you get the bulb in, you put the cover on. And again, turn it clockwise this time. And then swing your cover back up. And put in your two 10 millimeter but again, if you can't find your 10 millimeter socket to take them on or off, look in the description and take a look at those. I think those will make hilarious guests for anybody that's a mechanic or a DIYer, because everybody I know loses 10 millimeter sockets for some reason. So this way you're providing them the ability to lose a few and still have some to do their projects when they need to. And I was trying to put this in with my hand to start it, and I ended up just putting it on the wrench and just going, directly in, sticking it in and tightening it at the same time. It worked much better that way. This ended up being the most difficult part of the entire operation, was just getting the bolt foot back in here. But all in all, it's a very easy job. It'll take you a couple of minutes. it just really is a pain, especially if you're going to end up trying to remove the tire. You're going to have to brace the car and everything else. So this is definitely the way to go. And while you're watching this, go ahead and hit the little subscribe button there in the bottom right hand corner. Would love to get you guys subscribed to the channel. I do a lot of basic car maintenance, tractor maintenance, tractor projects, homestead projects, just DIY, anything I can do around here. I just enjoy doing stuff. And I figure if I'm doing it, I might as well record it and share it. But love you guys to become a member, become a subscriber. Doesn't cost you anything, and just get notified. If you like the little bell there, you get notified as I release new content. And that's it. Thank you guys. You'll have a good day.